Hello everyone! Welcome to our next Chironico video, in which we are focusing on 3 boulders in Nivo Bassa. For more Chironico videos or outdoor bouldering content in general, please check out our other videos. If you want to support us, please subscribe or leave a comment or a thumbs up. Enjoy! We start off with Kleine Lexicon, a traverse which starts on the right and goes on to the left until the middle of the walk. As you can see a bit in this angle, the problem is a bit overhung. This made it a bit harder than we originally thought.
Make Maciek jealous. Maciek, this is for you. Yes. Yes, it's looking good. Yes. Come on. Come on, go for it. Come on, left hand. Right heel a bit further. Come on, fight. A bit further. Ah! Nice. Left hand. Nice. Left foot. Right heel. Go for it.
Yes, you have it. Come on.
Left foot. Nice. Come on. Can you engage the left yet? Yes. Go left hand. Yes. Nice. Fight.
You can do it. Come on. Put your foot up.
Come.
Yes. Up is the heel.
Yes. Try to hook maybe if possible somehow. Further.
A bit further. Yes, a bit further. Yes. A bit further. Come on.
Oh.
No, heavy. I said, just imagine you fell in the very last move.
Oh.
You need to try it again. You cannot say this is the last attempt.
This is going. Come on, nice. It's done. Come on, join. My chance. Very good. Yes, nice. Fight.
Come on, you can do it.
Go further, Harvey. Go further with the foot. A bit further if possible.
Deeper.
Go a bit further. Where my hand is a bit further if possible.
Very good.
Come on, 2 centimeters more. So do it. Come on. Ah, nice.
Very good.
Not textbook.
Finally.
Woo. So Rio, if you're watching this, we're waiting for a sponsorship for your tuna salad. You can just write us a message. And I don't like it, to be honest, but this year could be our ambassador for tuna salad, so you should pay him a lot of money.
Very nice. Continue like that. There's one sweet spot. Yes. Oh.
It's looking good actually.
Wow.
The KPI is good, very focused, so this is so far.
Very solid first attempt.
Not pathetic at all.
No, very nice.
Somehow, because the top is over there or something, I don't remember well. Well, let's take a look. If I see you're coming here, I'm gonna check. You see? You go with left hand.
Go with the right, to the right.
Crazy jump.
To the right.
The jump we all like and love.
Piece of cake.
Wait.
No, it's not done.
Whoa! I'm not sure what I need to go here, but...
Now you have it.
Be careful with the jump. Maybe jump, climb down a bit. I think it's pretty safe to jump if you jump to the left, not straight.
Yeah, that's quite easy actually.
When I see you standing there, watching home from me. Maria also tried the boulder, but my starting beta did not work out for her. After some trying around, however, she found this beta so that she could do the start without any problems.
Go in the yeah. Now go one further.
I need with the hand to go there, right?
Yeah.
Here.
Right, and then
If
cross
I was
left.
Here, I need to go there.
Yeah.
But I think I was too far away. I'm not sure whether I should just put my body weight to the right. There's also something.
But that's too far.
But for me, it is definitely, maybe I can also try it next without the sit, but for me, it is definitely way better to get up when I have my foot down. If I lift myself up and a bit and then put it up. If it is at the beginning up, I feel like my foot is so high that I cannot put pressure on my feet to get up. And with my hand, I cannot really pull myself up. But if I have it against such a little, not hole, something, it helps me to get up a bit. So yeah, I have to think about it.
Hi. To the right, yes. Can you now go? Yes. You can maybe, if you manage, save some energy to avoid this foot switch and everything. Maybe you can go right hand, then go with the left hand where your right hand was before, and then pushing yourself up and going with the left hand, then you can avoid a foot switch. Maybe you don't even need to go to the higher spot with the right foot, the way Harvey did it.
But you have to put your left foot at some point where the right foot is. Because my problem is, when I'm like this, I cannot, like you and Harvey, go with the left foot down. So if I'm with the right, I have to first to put the left hand, and then if I go down, then go down. Because I try to go down, could feel that it is too low, but then I had not a stable position, so I tried to go fast with the left hand to the right. So I slipped a bit with the right hand, and that the skin hurt. So I lost there some skin. That was not so smart. So like usual, I need a different beta because I'm such a short person. But yeah.
Aww.
Huh?
I'm such a short person.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I did not go down the last time when I did it.
No, but Harvey can go down.
Yeah, but
And
it's
I
unnecessary.
don't say it is harder for me that I cannot go down. I just say what was harder now that I just wanted to copy Harvey's way, but I'm shorter than him. So I just did a different way. I don't say that it's harder, I just say a different way.
For example, I don't know to what extent.
We're trying from here.
Like this.
Yes.
Last but not least, we are showing Garibald, a nice boulder that is in a big overhang with rather slopy edges. The problem starts a bit further down in the overhang, but as we could not stick the start, we focused on the middle section.
Yeah. I guess I would be tempted to take advantage of this whole field. Yeah. It's turbo time. How do you call when you are running your car like in reserve?
Jim.
I don't know, in English, wherever. You know what I mean? Like when you have gas and there is this reserve. Yeah. I'm voting for this. Just because I have energy to be on my car. I have something to do. I'm gonna skip to see if that works.
You go feet first, from the bad thing.
Oh! It didn't work.
Video.
Let me go again at least.
You should watch Eric's videos with Sophia Starstruck, or how she's called, with power screens.
Be very silent. Be like not screaming at all, Augie. Yes. Come on, yes. Stay low, stay low, stay low.
No, 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 no.
Yes.
Sorry to waste your time.
No worries. Bye bye, Chironico.